Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel. And today I will be teaching you how to turn off Facebook tracking on iPhone. So let's begin right away. So there are actually two ways in turning off tracking on iPhone. So the first one is using your settings, and then the second one is opening your Facebook app as well. So let's proceed first with our settings. So just simply click on settings and then scroll down to the bottom of settings and look for Facebook. So this is an alphabetical order, so you may search for Facebook easily. So click on Facebook and make sure to turn off allow tracking right here. So click on the toggle button and make sure that the toggle button has turned into gray and not green. And then, once you have done that, you may now proceed to the second step, which is opening Facebook. So click on Facebook and then go to menu right here, found on the lower right corner, and scroll down, click on Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings, and then wait for it to load. Once it is done loading, you just simply scroll down and look for the Off Facebook Activity under Permissions. So click on Off Facebook Activity and wait for it to load. Click on View and Manage Activity, and then it will ask you to input your password. So once you have input your password, you may be able to see the list of the apps that is tracking you on Facebook as well. And then you may just simply clear it all, or you may turn off these activities. So click on select activity to turn off, and then you may click on the activities right here and click on turn off future activity, click on turn off, wait for it to load, and then that's it. That's how you can turn off Facebook tracking on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.